I'm going to show you how much does Starbucks pay their employees. Starbucks employees in the United States earn an average hourly wage of approximately $15.57, which is about 10% the national average. For entry-level positions, such as baristas, the average hourly pay is around $15.57, with wages typically ranging from $7.9 to $25.25 per hour, depending on location and experience. Managers at Starbucks earn between $34,877 and $188,395 annually, depending on their role and experience. Please note that these figures can vary based on factors such as location, experience, and specific job responsibilities. Easy-to-understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro Dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.